Max eh. Wait lang. Aray. Paano mo gagawin yan? Dapat dito mo nilagay sa ano? Oh my God. Ah. Ito.
Bukas mo naman.
Ito yan, nag-fold yung gilid niya, oh. Hopefully, okay lang. Boboy, me. Come here.
Buildings here? Yeah, Daddy?
Jersey
Because
City.
we are super close to New York.
Naghahatid kami ng box.
So,
Punta na kami. Filipino store.
it almost looks like we're in New York. When we're at
Dito na, malapit na. Andito na. Max. Casa Victoria. Global Cargo 45. Max.
Hey,
Done.
Mommy.
Phil, stop. Oh, close sila.
Daddy, look.
Wow.
I can see Stickle in there. Hey, I can see Stickle on there.
Close yung store. Walang
That's
sticker.
not close, but there's a Stickle on there.
Uh-huh.
I guess.
Ice cream daw si Max.
I can also eat this Stickle.
Let me just...